of the 2023 Local Manufacturing Award is Omnitronics.
Big thank you to the team at ARCIA for recognising all the team at Omnitronics. The past and present members, we've been operating since 1981. It's been a long journey, but this isn't just for the team here tonight, for everybody since 1981. It's helped contribute to everything that is Omnitronics. So a big thank you there. The DRG, I wanted Paul here to hold the award tonight. The DRG is one of our flagship products developed in 2011, and since that time, Paul and his team have developed it into what it is today. So a massive big thank you. We are humbled for receiving this award, and we're quite thankful. It's the second award we managed to win this year, and I want to pay tribute to Tina, the marketing team, for the nominations and for all the effort that goes in behind the scenes to make us all look good. By the way, I hate blue, but Tina, head of marketing, picked blue. So again, a big thank you to all of the team at Omnitronics, past and present. Paul Whitfield, Tina, everybody. Have a great night, everybody. Oh wait, sorry. I did say to the guys, I wouldn't embarrass them, but I lied. Shoey! Just because Daniel Ricciardo made it popular again.